Guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am so excited to do an unboxing with you of my very first Chanel purchase. This is so exciting because it came just in time for my birthday, so let's all find out together what I got. Okay. Hey guys, so this is the Chanel Mini Rectangular in black caviar with light gold hardware. Now I had a good look at it already offline and I really like it, so this is pretty much like my first impression video. I'll do a better review if I use it more often. So pretty much it's just a single flat bag. And it's just got a big compartment with one pocket there and one zip at the back over here, and that's where usually the authenticity card is kept, so I'm keeping mine in there. And it's got the CC hardware and the turn lock as well. At the back you have the pocket, and you have the chain as well. So first impression would be it's such a gorgeous bag, it's such a classic bag. The caviar looks very durable all over, which is really nice because I don't think I have to really worry about it in terms of stains or anything. I think it will easily just get removed. The chain looks very durable as well. As you can see, it looks quite gold, but this is actually a light gold hardware, so it depends on your lighting, which I like about it. It can look silver, it can look gold, just depends on the lighting. Okay, and I already took the sticker. It had a sticker before. Okay. Mine is actually made in Italy. I don't know if you can see it over here, but it doesn't really bother me. I think it still looks great. I think the only setback with this is that it's such a tiny bag, and I don't think, like, I can only fit my very essentials in this bag. I can't put anything extra, but you know, if I would wear this, I'd probably just wear this in a special occasion or somewhere where I know I don't have to pack as much in my bag. But I'm going to show you how much this bag can fit and give you some options as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what fits in this bag. Now this is filled with stuff at the moment, and I'm so excited to do this video because when I was doing my research for this bag, I was actually trying to see how much this bag fits, because I looked at it in person and it's quite a tiny bag. So I'll leave the measurements of this bag on the description box below, but I will show you what can fit in here. It fits your essentials, which is really good, and I'll show you what I usually bring with me. So let's open the bag, and as you can see, it's filled with stuff. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put it back in so that you know how everything will fit in there. and how you can rearrange them as well. So let's start off with the phone. And next is my wallet. I've got my Louis Vuitton key pouch in Damier Ebene. Lip gloss, Ventolin. Now I have to bring this with me all the time because of my boyfriend, and my keys. So there's a fair bit of stuff in it, and they are quite my essentials. I'll just quickly show you what fits, well, what is in my Damier Ebene. So I've got a lip balm in here, which is from Mario Badescu. An antihistamine, a migraine tablet, and sets of keys. Now I put them in here so that I don't scratch the actual inside of the bag, and that just fits quite well. So really that's a fair bit of stuff that you can put in this bag, which is quite surprising. So I'll show you how I pack it. So let's start with the lip gloss. Right in there, my wallet, my phone, key pouch goes in here. Let's make room for the Ventolin. Now because you can see the lip gloss is here, you just move a little bit, tuck that under, you'll have space for the Ventolin. And see, there's a lot of rearranging involved in this so that you can put a lot of stuff. And my keys. It just goes on the side here. Okay. And that just closes perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing, first impression, and what fits inside this bag. And I hope I helped you guys as well in terms of any questions that you have. I know when I was, researching for this bag before I bought it, I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I probably watched all of the YouTube videos out there regarding this bag. So I hope you guys found it helpful, and you have any questions, please just let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.